my channel. This is Kesang and this is yet another food vlog from Kalimpong, and today I am at one of the newest cafes in the town, that is Acoustic Cafe, and this cozy eatery is opposite the old Kanchan Cinema Hall, and this is a very cute little space and they have a lot of good stuff to choose from the menu, and I'll be trying their chicken platter, which is I think the only place that's serving platter right now in Kalimpong. So yeah, let me show you guys this cute little cafe and how the food is here. So yeah, and before moving forward with the video, if you're here for the first time, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. And yeah, make sure you guys check out and follow Acoustic Cafe on Instagram. I'll leave the handle in the description box. And yeah, that's pretty much it that I have to say. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Alright guys, so I've got the chicken platter here, and this is a huge platter for a single person. So obviously I've called Silas, is on his way, so he'll be like helping me out. Excuse me. So yeah, they've got this like lovely assemblance like of, you know, like sausages and ham and salamis and egg and everything. So yeah, let's give it a try. Okay, gumaguma ko eh. So let me... Alright. Nice. Obviously you cannot go wrong with platters, because if you love meat, then platters are the perfect dish for you, because you get a little bit of everything, you know. Okay, so they also recommended me the quattro pizza, which is their specialty here, and that is a pizza where you get different flavors in like one single pan. So yeah, next time if I'm here, I'm definitely gonna try that, but today it's the platter. Let's try this out. Let me put some ketchup. You guys will have to excuse me, I'm like coughing a lot. This is really good. And it's stacked with like meat, obviously meat platter. And the flavor is very light, you know, it doesn't like hit you bam, but it's like look at the light flavor. So I think this is gonna be perfect if you're looking for some delicious yet healthy but filling breakfast or brunch, you know. So yeah, definitely a recommendation, guys. Don't have much to say, guys. Definitely give this cafe a shot, and if you guys are like craving some meat, try out their like platter. And also Kashyapda, I remember you were asking me like if there's any place in Kalimpong that serves platter, then like I found the place, so you make sure you come here. This is so damn refreshing. Look who's arrived. Yes, mama.
Yes, it's Vietnam only.
Alright.
Yeah, like a rating. It's good.
Yeah, no, it's very good.
So it's like a brunch kind of thing, like Sunday brunch, you can come here.
Yeah. So alright guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure you guys give Acoustic Cafe a visit and try out their food. They have lots many stuff to choose from, and the price is very reasonable according to the quality and quantity that you get. So yeah guys, I think that's about it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, stay creative and stay curious. Peace out.